There is breaking news, guys. I just figured out 3 things that I've seen big content creators use, and all of their videos just go viral within a matter of hours. And I'm here to explain to you what those 3 things are. There's no course, nothing like that. All I want is to get the word out. I want people to get educated. I mean, imagine, what would I look like withholding this information, charging money just for you to get access to it, when you can just figure it out on your own as well? I'm going to make it even easier on you, and I am going to tell you right here, right now, those 3 things. So stay tuned, because they are all crucial to growing a channel in this day and age in 2022. Let's get into the first one. Number 1, be enthusiastic. You have to be excited about what you're talking about, because if you aren't excited about it, how the hell are your viewers going to be excited about it? You want to hear what I sound like whenever I'm not trying to sound like I'm wired constantly? I sound just like this. So you have to get excited, or else your viewers aren't going to get excited about listening to you. They're going to lose interest immediately. So that is step number 1, enthusiasm. If you lack enthusiasm, you're going to lack views, and that's just how it is. All right, step 2, visuals. You have to have visual, whether it's a face cam. I'm right here, you can see me. I'm moving. I'm making hand motions. Those hand motions, it may not seem like it, but if I was just sitting like this the entire time, would you be as interested? Probably not. It doesn't have to be a webcam. You could have super cinematic videos playing in the background while you're talking, doing a voiceover. Or you could be doing gameplay. Is it riveting gameplay? Is your commentary riveting enough to where it makes the gameplay seem better than it is? There has to be some pull there from you to the viewer. Because if there's nothing interesting about your video, then why would you keep watching it? Enthusiasm, visuals. That's already 2 of our senses. So you're already appealing to 2 different senses of your viewers, which is crucial. That means that you have them linked to your content, which is good. Let's get on to step 3. Finally, step 3 is pull. Your video has to have pull. Now, what is pull, you might ask? That is another term for great thumbnail, great title. Those 2 things are the only 2 things that actually pull someone into your video initially, making it the most crucial part of any YouTube video. If your thumbnail sucks, your title is boring, there is absolutely no reason for someone to click on it, and there's even less of a reason for the YouTube algorithm to pick up your video. Number 3 is pull. Your video has to have pull. Arguably, which a lot of other content creators would agree, you want to figure out your title and your thumbnail before you even record your video. I did it on this video, and here I am now, you're seeing this. So obviously it worked. This video is proof that if you follow these 3 steps, these 3 crucial steps, you will get more views. You will gain subscribers. You have to stay diligent though. You can't just upload 1 video every couple months and hope that you hit it big. You have to be consistent if you want to actually grow a successful channel on YouTube. So those are the 3 tips. If you guys want to figure out even more details on how you can grow your channel even faster, check out my previous video. A ton of good stuff in there, a ton of good information. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have good luck with your channel. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.